Number 5. Find the least common multiples, LCM, and highest common factors, HCF, for each. So it's a very important question, right? 5, 1, 8, 12, and 24. We have to find out first what? LCM and HCF. So we have to complete this one by one. First we have to find out the factors of 8. Factor 8. So 8 we can write 1 times 8, then 2 times 4. 3 is not possible, 4 already wrote. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8. Then factors of 12. 12 we can write like 12 equals to 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and 4 times 3 already wrote. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12. Then factors of what? 24. Let's find out. 24 we can write like 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, then 24. So what is the LCM? So how can we find out the LCM? Look, first we have to find out the common things. Which one is the common thing? So this 2 is common, 2 is common, 2 is common. Then what is the common thing? Next common thing, a 4, 4, and 4. And now we have to find out of what is the next common thing. Look, here the common thing is 2 and 4, right? So which one is the highest factors? HCF, HCF 8, 12, and 24 equals to what? This is the highest is 4. This is highest common factor. So what about LCM? Least common factor. This one we can find like 8, 12, 24. First we can divide by 2, so it will be 4. Then here is 6. Then here is 12. Then again we can divide by 2. So here is 2, here is 3, and here is 6, right? So now look, we can divide by again 2. So here is 1, here is 3, and here is what? 3. Is it okay? So now we can take common. Here is 2, 3. So again we can take common 3. So here is 1, here is 1, and here is 1. So what is the number, or what is the LCM? 2, 2, 2, 2. So we can write 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8, 8 times 3 is a 24. Now look, now from our answer here is 8, 12, and 24. Answer will be 24. This is the LCM. But here we already find out the factor. So from here also we can find out the LCM. How? Look, first we have to find out which is the common. Like 1, 1, 1 is a common. Then what next? Next, here is 2, 2, 2 is a common. Then what next? Here is a 4, 4, 4 is a common. Then what next? Look, here is a 8, but here is 8, right? And here is 12, here is 12, here is 24. So these 24 can be divided by this 12 and this 8. Look, from all the factors, the highest number is 24, and this 24 we can divide by 12, which is 2, and also can be divided by 8, which is 3. So this 24 is our LCM, right? So next part, once we make practice, everything will be clear, which is 9, 12 and 18. Number 2, 9, 12 and 18. So first we have to find out in here. 9 we can write, we can do in here. Suppose 9 equals to 1 times 9, 3 times 9, 3 times 3. So first this one, HCF 9, 12, 18 equals to, so you already get what? 1933. So it means here is 139, it's for 9. Then 12, 12 we can write 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So what is for 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then we have to find out 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, that's it. So 18 equals to 1, 2, 3, then 6, then 9, and then 18. Now look, which is the highest common factor if we find out the HCF highest common factor? So look, here is 3, here is 3, and here is 3, right? Look, here is 9, here is also 9, but in 12 has no 9, so we cannot consider this one. So we only consider 3, 3 and 3. So our HCF is 3 of 9, 12 and 18. What about LCM? 9, 12 and 18. What is the LCM? Look, here 18 is the highest factors, but we cannot divide this 18 with 12 or 9. So this case we can write like 9, 12 and 18. First we have to divide by 2. So 9 cannot possible, so 9 will be placed as it is. 12 divided 2 is a 6. 18 divided 2 is a what? 9. Now we can divide by 3. So here is 3, here is 2, here is 3. Then we can divide by 3. So here is 1, here is 2, here is 1. Right? So 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 3 is a 18, 18 times 2 is a 36. So our LCM is 36. Okay? Very simple. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. So we have trying to solve question 3, 4 and 5. All the questions are very important. Please note that I am trying to solve all the questions in this channel, which is MathGip. We are in exercise 7.4. Chapter name multiples and factors. Thank you very much for being with me. Next video we will discuss number 6 and 7. Thank you.